It's here. It's here. We got our Riot vending machine. It finally came in the mail, and we finally get to play with it. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready for this? Vending machine is here. Yeah! It's here. Let's go get it. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Yeah! We're gonna open it up.
I'll open it up.
All right. Okay. Woo! Oh, it's a bit heavy. All right, guys, here it is. It's still in the plastic. Okay, let's open it up. Wait, first let's look at it. What does it have?
It had juice. It had chips. It had water. It had
That looks like, is that fruit snacks?
Yeah.
Oh, and then what over here? These are like the buttons. And I guess the money goes here. And then, oh, this is another button. I guess it's like you put the money in, you press this, and it's like, okay, accept. Oh, look, it has 30 pieces. It has the money, and the mini figurines, Build Orion, ooze, and fruit erasers. Oh, and it says, try me. We didn't see the back. Turn it around, Lennox. All right, let's see what it says. It says, vending surprise, 30 pieces. All the cool stuff inside. All right, enough for all of this. Enough for all of this. Let's get to it. Open it up, guys. Yeah, we had to, these are all the snacks and stuff that we had to take out. Fruit snacks, the coins.
What's in the coin already?
That's the money.
Here's some fruit snacks.
Oh, it sounds like something inside, guys. All right, so we got it out the box, guys. It's a compartment back here, and it has like a little hole inside. Yeah, look, it goes all the way up. I don't know what that is, so we'll see what that is there. That's the on button, off button. Let's see. Oh, and at the top, fill it up here. So we put the 3 juices here. We put the 4 fruit snacks, and the chips go here. And no, this is water. This is water. And this is, I guess, juice. Fill it on up. Fill it on up. Yep, fill it on up. All right, guys, let's count the coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins. Everybody has 5?
Yeah.
You have 5, Royal?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, do you have 5, Lennox? All right, guys, so it tells you right here on the side how much it costs for each item. So you need 4 Ryan coins. If this is what you want, Lennox, you have to put in 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ooh! What did you get? Hold on, Royal. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, what you get? That's not, ew, that's an eraser. You want real fruit snacks? Yeah. Oh, I got an idea. We can fill them up with real fruit snacks another time. Okay, Royal girl. Let's go, girl. Pick one. What you gonna get?
I take them all. What I did.
Which one? Did you put the money in?
Yep.
Okay, you need, how many you need? 1, 2, 3. Did you press it? Oh, it came out. What did you get?
Get it out.
What did you get? Let's see what you get. Ooh, panda.
Hey, give me that.
All right, Lennox, what did you get?
It's a penguin.
Let's see. Lennox got a penguin. That's a penguin. 1, 2. Yay! What did you get, girl? What did you get? Can you do it?
Go!
Go! Oh, what did he get? What did he get? What did you get?
Bruh.
The legs!
What kind of leg is that?
What in the world?
Bruh. Now I got a leg.
Oh my gosh. Lennox got legs. So that means we have to find the rest of the body. Have to find the rest of the body. Lennox just got legs. This is what he get. Look. Oh, look. He got legs. Where's the rest of the body? Now look, he's running around like this. Where's his head? Enough? You have 5?
Yes.
Okay, where you have 5?
I have 3.
Let's check the back. Let's check the back. Is it in the back?
Yeah.
Yep, it's in the back.
I want to... Again? Oh, because something is in the body I got. Again.
Okay, stop blinking.
Alright, well...
What did you get?
Open it and get a body. Same thing I have a leg. Blue putty!
Blue putty! Red and blue! Yes, what do red and blue make? Good job. Good job.
They have water.
Water.
Oh! I find the body!
You have the body? Let me see. Oh, you got the body!
We need to find arms.
All right, now we need his arms. Team, we found the body. He doesn't have a head or arms. Yeah, we need arms, or he's going to be like stop, drop, and roll. And this is all he can do is roll. What did she get?
Chips! It's like, boof.
The head! Doom, doom, doom.
Wait.
Doom, doom, doom.
Alright. I gotta put it in the middle because we gotta find the arms.
All right.
I use the bottom. Wait. I'm not trust Pushman. I think he have the hand. Let's see. I have to...
Push it in. What did you get?
Come. Oh my god, I find it.
What did he get? Fruit that. Let's.
Are you serious?
What is it? More erasers?
Wait. I'm gonna get this. Yeah, get one. Just one. How many times do more erasers?
It didn't. You had to do it again, Royal, because it didn't pick up the sound. No, you had to put the money back in. Now do it. Now press the check.
Wait, it come out.
Oh, it burst open. What did you get? Gus.
What's up, Gus? Where you been at, y'all? Where you been? He ate gummy worms. What's up, man? They had us locked up in them bottles and stuff. What bottle y'all was in? I was in the red bottle. What bottle was y'all in? The yellow one? Oh, okay.
Oh.
Let's see that more. Ah, my money's stuck in there.
They sold out.
Let me see.
They sold out though.
Let me see.
You gotta make sure you push it in.
Are you serious?
They sold out. The chips and the juice is sold out.
Back to work. Wait. Do we choose the caramel pen or this and this? Hey, we still have more.
Yep.
Oh, we don't have no.
What's inside?
Bruh.
What is it?
This is an Emma. This is an evidence how.
A little. Hi, little girl. No, when it's blinking, that means you need more money. Do it again.
Hey, that's my money.
All right, stop blinking. Did you press it? Press the button. There you go. What did you get, girl?
Ryan's
The hands.
Ryan, we did it. We found him in pieces.
Fixed now. I mean, cause they had you all up in pieces. Gang, gang. Wait a minute. They got us this gang, gang. Look, they squad. So all you going to get? We all sold out. So what you going to get?
The one thing, them fruit snakes. Fruit snakes?
Ooh. What'd you get? Try.
Are you serious?
Pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Come on in. Put them on in. Put them on in.
Put them on, man. Put them on, man. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 4.
One more.
That's it.
One more and more.
That's it.
Put one more for Mo. One more for Mo. Ain't his name Mo?
No, that's it.
That's it. Woo.
Put no more.
Alright, it's not blinking anymore. Press the chat. What did you get? Come on.
Put them in. Racers.
Erasers.
I'm a
Do they smell like anything?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're all sold out. Alright, Royal, let's see the putty.
It's sticky.
It is really sticky. It feels too sticky, like it's gonna get on your clothes.
No. Don't try this at home. That's fine.
Your mommy and daddy will be very upset if you get that on that carpet, on that brand new couch.
Yep, grounded.
They're gonna be grounded.
For the whole month. Yeah. It's so satisfying, guys.
It's satisfying.
And you can mix it up. Still look. Don't end the video. Hold on. Yep. It can turn to purple. And it's not sticky. You can try this at home. Try it at home. Don't try it. Look, guys. Buy this at Walmart. Peace. Bye. Peace.
Peace. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.